Hello guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Ben. I am from Joe's Gaming Electronics, and today I will be showing you guys how to tear apart a Garmin Venu 2S unit. We will be just doing the teardown in this video. As you can see, the screen is damaged, and if you guys ever run into an issue like this, you can always watch this video and figure out the steps that I will be showing you on your own unit, which will be the same steps as you see in this video. And also, if you guys are not comfortable in working on these type of units, you could always send it to us. We have trained professionals that can repair your unit without any problem. And as well as if you are thinking of doing this repair and you don't have the tools, all the tools you will see that I'll be using in this video will be linked down in the description down below. So let's get started with tearing down this unit. First thing that we will need is a heat gun. We'll be applying some heat to the screen, to the sides, just like this. And you want the heat gun to be set at right around 190, and you're just going to be going around the screen just like this. So once you got it nice and warm or hot, you're gonna grab the metal pry tool and grab a little bit of alcohol and just kind of go into these edges right here on the screen and then just pry it open. Also, in this situation, I would definitely be wearing some glasses because you do not want to get this into your eye. That would be very painful. I've had this happen before and it is not fun. And once you kind of hear it coming up, you will hear it a little. As you can see, now the screen is off. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put away the metal pry tool, and then we're gonna disconnect this ribbon that is connected to the motherboard. There we have it. We will put the screen aside for now. So next, we will grab a 1.5 Phillips screwdriver, and there's 3 screws that we need to unscrew, which are located. One's right here. There's one right there. There's one right there. And then there is one right here. So let's get started. Alright, once you have those 3 screws all unscrewed, we're just gonna kind of lift this up. Just take it off. Then, as you can see, there's a connection right here. We're just gonna disconnect that. Just put it aside. And then next we could just start lifting up the motherboard. And to do that, we're gonna grab a flathead. Like I said, all these tools will be linked down below at our Joe's GE shop. And we're just gonna lift up the motherboard. There is one more screw, it looks like, which is right here. Good thing I noticed that, I forgot. So there is 4 screws actually. There we go. And we're just gonna disconnect this one connection right here. Just like that. And then the last is the battery, which we're just gonna apply a little bit of alcohol to our spudger. Just gonna go just down like this. Just kind of pry it open so it just comes out. And there you go. And that is basically everything. We have the battery, the housing, the motherboard, and the screen. So that is how you guys tear down a Garmin Venu 2S unit. So if you guys have any other questions regarding this unit, how to put it back together or anything, you could always contact us, and we will be doing a full video on how to put back this unit. So stay tuned for the next one, and thank you for watching, and have a great rest of your day.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy our parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.